Oh, big wheelie! Sick jump in the tricycle! That was so cool! Oh, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Forza Horizon 3. If you missed it, last time we drove this insane GTR with 4 million horsepower all the way from, like, Byron Bay, sorta kinda, all the way here to Blizzard Mountain. So that got me thinking. We have basically all of Blizzard Mountain as our sort of testing ground now. So why don't we have some fun and see if we could build one of the best off-road / winter vehicles ever. Yeah. I don't know what's gonna happen, but my goal for this thing is to, 1, give it some really big beefy tires, make the thing hella grippy. 2, give it 1 million horsepower. 3, race it against some other cars and see if we can actually win. I don't know what's gonna happen, but today we are gonna work on this little BMW Isetta and see if we can get it to win a race here on Blizzard Mountain. So let's jump into the database and see what we've got. So firstly, we need to go in and find all the stuff with the BMW Isetta because I've not actually done this before. I'm very happy you guys like all these videos, by the way, when we go into the database and we mess around with things. It's very fun. Thank you for all the support on these videos. They've been doing massively well, so thank you. Like, I'm just saying, it may not mean much to you guys when you go in and, like, you click the little like button or whatever, and you may go, oh, it doesn't do anything. There's a lot of people who watch these videos, but no, seriously, each and every one of you, thank you. It means a lot. Okay, so we've got the little number for the BMW Isetta. Now, I think there's actually gonna be a slight problem with this thing. I don't know what engine swaps it has, so we'll come back to the power. Let's make it have big boy tires first. So the front tires, we can have the front tires be 145 millimeters thick. That's the thickest they come on a BMW Isetta, but we'll take that and make it the second one. And then for the front tires, let's make them, oh, I don't know, 315. Let's just say. Now, in the rear of the BMW Isetta, because the tires are in the middle, we're actually gonna need quite big and beefy tires. So let's maybe make them, let's make one 400, one 500, and one 800. Just to see what'll happen. I don't know. All right, let's start with that. See what we can do. I really hope this doesn't break the game because I feel like having a 1 million horsepower BMW Isetta is, 1, hilarious, and 2, asking for a lot of trouble, but it will be very, very good. So, of course, we gotta go with the Blue Crew Blue. You guys know it. Those tires are so dinky. Honestly, I posted a picture on Instagram yesterday. If you missed it, go check it out. But I posted a picture of me on a tricycle. My tricycle tires are bigger than this stupid tire. Just saying. As much as I love you, Isetta, you do have silly tires. So, tire width. This is what we need to figure out. Tire width in the front starts at 115. That's what it looks like fully upgraded. And our special one, it looks very off-roady with those, if I'm honest. Like, those are perfect. Oh, those are so awesome. So, rear tires, 115 is where they start. We go up to 400. It becomes one really thick tire. That actually looks really good. 800 millimeter. There's very little difference between 400 and 500, but 800 fills the Isetta. Oh dear. Oh dear. Do we want to make those bigger? Actually, we can make those a little bit bigger, maybe. Anyways, because we're on Blizzard Mountain, we need some off-roady spiky wheels. Oh, that looks so sick. That looks so cool. The other thing we need to figure out is our engine. Okay. So for this engine that we have, we can actually add a supercharger to it that gives us an extra 3 horsepower. Hell yeah. Or, I mean, we could just swap in the motorbike end. Oh my god, look what it did to our bars. Oh, wow. So, okay, this thing starts off with 13 horsepower. We're going to be going to 1 million horsepower. That is that 10 million% increase? No, that's more than that. So, other things I think this needs. I think it needs some more lift. It needs some more lift, and it needs some, like, chunkier tires. So, let's toss both of those on and fix the horsepower now. This is gonna be amazing. This is my new favorite car in the game already. Front wheel diameter, rear wheel diameter. Got it. Okay, so front wheel diameter, it starts out at a measly 10 inches. Anyways, let's make it 15. 15 seems like a good place to start. Anyways, motorbike engine. Let's find this. So it started off with 200 horsepower. So if we double that number, I don't know what would happen. You know what? Let's just make it 10 and 75, 7.5, not 75. Oh dear. If we want a million, maybe 30. Oh wait, I forgot to apply the upgrades. My Isetta's all, wait, whoa, what, wait, I clicked the wrong button. My tires are huge. My tires are really big. How cool is that? I gave it mega tires. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, let's go work on this properly. Snow tire compound. Very big tire compound. Those look so awesome. This is a snow-ready Isetta. Motorbike engine? Yes, please. Turbo swap? Yes, please. And then let's see how much horsepower we can actually get out of this thing. From 230 up to 900. Boy, we're gonna need to make this a lot higher than I thought. Up to 3,000. Yeah, we're gonna need to go a lot higher than I thought. 3,000 horsepower, not bad though. Let's, I mean, we'll start off with that, see how it goes. What else do we want to do on this little thing? Give it some better brakes. Do we want to raise it up? Yeah, sure. It'll actually look really cool if we do. We've built a little tank here today. Like, seriously. It actually looks so beastly. Okay, we might want to raise this thing up too, maybe. We'll give it a little bit of ups, possibly. Well, let's try it out now. See how it goes. Let me just fix these wheels because they look ugly. We make it a snow camo tank. How cool! Like, seriously. That is so awesome. It looks insane. Look at that rear wheel. It's actually 2 wheels, but it looks like 1. Oh. Yeah. Hey! You bitch! Stop beating up the little kid. Hey! Hey! You stop it! Stop it! Stop! You're a bitch! You dick! Let's go. Piss off, man. Oh, dear. Okay, maybe more ups is not the answer. Maybe slamming it down would act... wait a second. Like, okay. Okay. This thing is, I would say, by far the coolest car ever. Those tires are just absurd. I'm sorry, BMW. You should have sold it this way. Although it wouldn't work, it would look so cool. There is a slight problem with it, though. It is slightly undrivable. When I say slightly, I mean I tried to hit the jump there, and before we even got to the jump, I managed to roll. So if that's gonna be a problem, maybe lowering the thing is not the answer. Maybe we should lower it down is what I mean. Raising it up is probably not the answer. That looks really cool. And maybe it won't roll as much now. Okay. It's just incredibly stupid, but because it's so stupid, I love the thing. I'm trying to figure out, do we want to actually make this thing possibly a little bit heavier so we don't, like, roll as much? Because, I mean, it would just make the car more stable overall, I feel like. And let's give it some more horsepower and allow us to lower and raise the car up a little bit more. Good. Max ride height, let's make it 0.5 so we have the option of making it much higher. And same goes for that one as well. Minimum ride height, let's lower it down to 0.2? Maybe 0.15. It'll still be realistic, but at the same time, it will be very, very low. So that's good. That will work. Now we want weight reduction. I'm gonna give it some more weight because I feel like it'll make us more stable. 800 kilograms, so it'll be double the weight. And then what was the other thing I needed to do? Oh yes, more horsepower. So if 30 equals to 3,000, so we basically need more zeros. So if we add 2 more zeros to the end, so we need basically 2 zeros off a million, that's 10,000. And it should be 7,500. Oh, dear God. Other things we're gonna want is more grip. And snow, let's just give it to 3 for everything. I think that should work. Good. Let's see what happens. Our car's really low. I did forget that happens, but okay. Let's reduce the tire pressure down so we can get some more grip. We're already gonna have a hell of a lot of grip, but more grip is always... Ooh. How much horsepower do we have in this? Do we actually have 1 million? I mean, that's close enough, right? 958,000. I think you're allowed to round up in that situation. Close enough. Oh yeah, and the other thing I changed is I changed the amount of weight this thing had. Oh. Doesn't actually work. Anyways, 1 million horsepower we've now got. What could possibly go wrong? So we can raise it from 0.5 inches all the way up to 19 inches in the sky. That's 2 feet. What does that actually look like? Oh my god, we've built a mini monster truck! It's a mini monster truck! I'm just saying, okay. Oh yeah, that did not work. What's happening? I'm just turning! What is going on? I'm not pressing anything. Strange things are going on. I don't understand what's happening. The back wheel doesn't look like it's on very straight. It looks epic though. This is like a proper mini tank. This is so cool. You can actually see like the tire deform. I honestly never knew that happened in this game. But it's like now when you push it to such extremes, you can see all those little details. For fuck's sake. You can see all the little details happen that you wouldn't otherwise be able to see. Like that is so cool. Oh yay, more blizzards. Cool. Thanks a lot, game. Oh yay. Okay. The mini tank, although it's really cool, doesn't work at all. So let's just go back to the auto show. I mean, surprisingly, for a car that has 1 million horsepower, it actually drove like, I mean, not decently well. That is so cool. It drove decently well, I would say. So let's give it that. I don't know why the tires like turned like that. It's very strange. But anyways, we'll give it the mega rear tire, and I guess yes as well. Actually, let's just toss on the other suspension. Just give it that one. Like, I don't think we're actually gonna roll with that. Oh my god. Yo, you can actually see the rear bumper, like, clipping in. Okay. There is a gearing problem. But... okay, yes, it does tip over as well. Okay, fix the gears, and then we're gonna take this on the road. Oh, wow! They're actually in very interesting things. There's a little Barth. There's a Mercedes SLS. Very strange choices, game. There's a Zenvo behind. There's a Ford GT race car. Come on, 1 million horsepower. How have you not overtaken every... someone fix me. Thank you, Zenvo. Okay, yeah, the gear ratios are definitely still very messed up. Brake, Isetta. Turn in. Yes. This is the most stupid... I'm gone again. You spin me right round, baby, right round. When you go down, when you go down, down. This is just the breakdance car. We thought it was the GTR. No. Okay, well... we need to, take this one back to the drawing board. I have an idea. So, one of the things in the dev build that you can do is you can change, like, the height, the length, the width, the wheelbase, the front wheelbase, the track outer, something. You can change basically everything. So, what if we make the car wider so it doesn't tip over as much? I believe that is the offset, so it's 2 meters wide now. So it shouldn't have any problems. Oh my god, it actually worked. No way. How did it, This has become a very, very strange BMW Isetta. So the front tires are actually 2 meters apart now. That is awesome. I don't know what the rear tires are doing. I think it's just because they're set in the middle of the car. It doesn't work properly. Oh man, we have built the coolest car. Is it gonna roll everywhere? It's like, you know what we've built? We've built a little T-Rex. You know what I mean? Holy shit, this is so sick. Oh, I never thought a tricycle would be so cool, but it really, really is. This is amazing. I did not go out with the intention of building this. But sometimes just very, very strange things happen when you mess around with the dev build. And this is one of those times. So, somehow, we've accidentally built a 1 million horsepower tricycle. That is so awesome. Okay, race. We need a race. Let's try this one again. Wait. We could definitely build a bike the same... We're gonna build a bike. Stay tuned for the next video when we build a motorcycle in Forza Horizon. Maybe we should give everyone tricycles. Oh, that'd be so much fun. Oh, maybe we should force them all into the same car. And then they would have to, like, try to upgrade them the same way. Yes! We'll see what the AI does with these. Oh, tricycle versus a Porsche 918. I never thought I would see the day. Having traction control on as well is definitely helping massively. We've actually not rolled yet, so that's very good. All right, now I'm being bullied by a Lamborghini. There is still a significant problem with this car. For the simple fact that, yes, it still is very undrivable. Yeah, all of the AI are just gone. It still does not drive Okay, what if we give everyone little Isetta tricycles? Oh, this is the tricycle race. Taking a look at my tricycle, being like, yo, he's got a sick tricycle. Look at them all. Okay, none of the AI have done tire width upgrades. But they all have 1,000,000 horsepower. This is so sick. Oh, our tricycles are eating each other. How is the AI so good at driving them? How? The AI is surprisingly good at controlling them. Like, what? That is some... Whoever coded them did a very, very good job. Look at the speed. Look at the speed in the tricycle. I'm dead. 360. Cool. Okay, I think I figured out the problem. It's called understeer, and it doesn't want to go where you want it to go. But it's okay, because it's a tricycle. I mean, what else would you want? Now, okay, Forza, if you're watching this, which, I mean, you might be. You probably have better things to do, though. Can we have a tricycle in the game? Like, the T-Rex, the slingshot? I'm just saying, they'd all be really cool. Come on, Isetta, stop stalling. No! Their AI is better than us with our own car. For as long as I've been trying to master this thing, the AI somehow is freaking incredible. Okay, I think I know what the AI is doing. It's called they're not giving the car 100% power, i.e. why we can catch them up so easily on the straights. Oh, no! I've fallen down a cliff. Well, I've ended up in the ditch. Who would that remind you of, driving in the winter? I have no idea, but somehow I've ended up in last place somehow. Maybe the AI aren't actually running with 1,000,000 horsepower. It's just occurred to me. Well, boys, slight problem. Oh, yeah, that's a slight problem. We've come last. That's not gone well. They were all B class. They weren't even upgraded. What? So I just got whipped by some guys in much slower cars than me. We may have failed today's mission. However, I think we have built the coolest car ever in Forza. Like, how crazy. An actual working tricycle. That is the coolest thing by far. I love the rear. The rear is so awesome. Just like with the one meaty ass tire. That is so cool. Although we did fail today's mission, we did come out on top because we have built the coolest car ever in Forza Horizon. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can subscribe down below for future Forza Horizon 3 mod videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next week. See you then. Bye! Oh, big wheelie! Sick jump in the tricycle! That was so cool! Oh, what a way to finish.